Hi everybody, my name is Adam Meyer. I'm back here with another video. Today we're going to go over Bitcoin price. As you can see, we're going to look at our price predictions for that. That's just me personally, and I'm also going to go over some NFTs and other NFT projects that I like that I might pick up myself. So let's get into this here. Alright, so let's get into the good juicy one that I really like first. So this one is actually called Undead Blocks. I don't know if you guys have ever played Call of Duty, but I used to play quite a bit when I was younger, and I love Call of Duty Zombies. And this is like a remake of the game. It looks very similar to Call of Duty, but it's not. I don't think anybody's involved that actually created Call of Duty to make this, but this is a play-to-earn game within the blockchain. If you want, you can go through on their description through their website. I'm going to link it down below. But they go through, basically you're killing zombies to earn, just to like earn their currency in the game that's linked to the stablecoin that's actually called Z-Bucks, which is here right now. I don't know too much on the finance part of it, or like how the whole economy is going to work, because they haven't released it yet, but it's something I'm definitely keeping an eye on. So what we want to keep in mind with this project is that they create their NFTs, and these NFTs are like gun packs. So you either get a pistol and a knife, or you get a pistol, knife, MP5, or like an AK-47, various perks within the game. They all have different skins. And within that, you can like level up your gun by playing. So you're playing to earn their Z-Bucks, and also you can convert it to the Undead token. When they release more information on this, I can keep you guys updated, or just stay up to date within my chat, or just reach out to me. But through that, you play to earn, you make money, and then through that, you can withdraw it through another form of cryptocurrency, and that's how you get paid. By owning one of these NFTs, you can also lease it out for free, or possibly even to lease it out for people to pay to even use it if they don't own the NFT. For example, let's say right now I see there's 2,500 NFTs. That's all there will be as of now. I don't know what they're going to do in the future, but let's say I'm somebody that I don't want to play, for example. I might lease it out to you to go play, but you might earn me money, or they might actually earn money playing it themselves too, because they're using it on their behalf. So they might earn money, and then you might earn money too. I don't know how it's all going to work, but this is something to keep an eye on. I really like the gameplay. You can go here, follow their Twitch and whatnot, and you can see the gameplay. It looks really legit. It looks really good. It actually looks really fun. It's something I'm actually going to play myself if I do go ahead and get one of these packs. And what they were saying on Twitch was like, oh, $3 a day minimum if you get on the leaderboards. If you play it every day, it might be like $3 a day, depending on the pack you get. I can see their NFTs are running about 0.12 for their floor price on here on OpenSea. So that's just with the pistol and knife pack. So that's sitting about $428. But if you want to go up to a survivor pack to get the MP5, you're going to be spending like a little over $1,000. But that's right now. Price could come down. But I might be looking to pick up one of these survivor packs for about $1,000 here pretty soon. So another one I'm looking at here is the VV, this Disney Mickey Mouse one. I actually own a few other like Disney ones within the app itself. So this, you're just going to be buying gems, and then you can buy this through here. There's only a certain amount released editions, 18,000, and then we got 13,000 here. There's 7,000 here. And yeah, these are pretty good for long term. In my opinion, this isn't financial advice, obviously. But I got the Iron Man, I got the Wally, but these are also good to like keep a look at for the long term. So if you want to invest into something like this for long term, so being an owner is how I look at things as an investor. You're not going to get rich by just working for the money. You want to be an owner of certain things that have potential. Yes, you might lose money, but over the long term, you do your research, you do your due diligence on your part to look at good investments. Most likely you're going to do good over a period of time. So don't think you're going to get rich overnight. Yeah, some people do, but the likelihood of it is very slim. So just keep in mind on that. So lastly, we're going to go over Bitcoin and Bitcoin price, and basically what I see here. We actually broke out of this consolidation phase, and we actually broke above here. So the last 2 weeks have been very bullish, and I really like that. And we're actually going to be closing here at like a consolidation candle for this week. We still have 2 days on this candle, but we'll see what happens with it. But we're holding this nice area where it tap, and we broke through it, and then we started tapping again. If we use like institutional kind of forms here, by looking at gaps in fulfillment of orders, we actually seen on the daily, they created a nice gap from this wick to this wick, and there's a gap sitting right within here. And as you can see, we've come down to fill in the gap, and we're also tapping these last areas of resistance here. I don't really use support and resistance terms, but that's what this is, and it's hitting orders that previously sold off. So these orders sold off here, and now we bought up and broke above it, and now we're tapping it again for the banks basically to reverse their orders. Plus, we've had a lot of good news. I guess you could say with the Fed as of right now. It depends like what happens in the future with the Fed. So because like the Nasdaq's affected, Bitcoin's affected, all of it's affected based on what the Fed likes to do. But we could, in the time being, work our way up. It's not like I don't know what's gonna happen. But as an investor, you accumulate and then you can somehow kind of trade this up or down based on the movement it's going. But Bitcoin itself, I like to just buy and hold. But there are some portfolios I like to make a few bucks on. Nothing too crazy, just with trading, but accumulating for long term. Yeah, this time we could see it. The Fed doesn't completely kill the market. We could actually keep coming higher up into here, some type of retracement, and keep buying. That's based on what we're seeing now with price. A few weeks ago, we actually didn't see this with price. We could have seen prices work our way down into here. Here's where I would have most likely bought a full Bitcoin and done that, but instead we've actually seen some bullishness. So now we have to adapt. As human beings, we have to adapt to the world around us. So what are we going to do here in the market? Now we've seen bullishness come in. The buyers have come in. The fundamentals of the Fed, the world adoption, everything's just aligning with Bitcoin right now. So why not, in my opinion, focus on possibly taking some buy scenarios until we start seeing structure broken, and if we see it broken, we might be coming down. Why not? For me, I'm going to take some risk on possibly buying this up into this range. And why do I like this range up in here? Because we're in the golden zone. As you can see on my Fibonacci, we have the 79, 71, and the 62. They're all golden. And based on past performance of history, it's a algorithmic area for price to come to possibly become exhausted. I can give an example of that is when this buying up right now, if you measure from the low to the high, we're actually sitting between the 62, the 71, the 79, and that's this range right here. So if I actually get this old fib off, we can actually look at that right there, and that's where we accumulated to buy back up. So if we were accumulating down here, we would be bullish right now. So let's go back to the bearish scenario from the high to the low. So this is where we can possibly look for pricing to come into to show weakness, to possibly work our way back down, and then maybe something else again, up like that, or something like this. But like I said before, we adapt to what the market tells us, and then we place our positions based on that. Or if you just want to be a regular investor, which I like doing most, I like teaching people more about just regular investing. It's just buy and hold, accumulate for the long term. If you're young, like me, or even if you're older, for your family down the road, obviously the world's accepting Bitcoin. It's like written right on the wall, literally on the fucking wall. So here we go. That's my zones. Do what you got to do. Stay blessed, everybody. I'm gonna get going. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.